Observer broke the fourth wall. Do not continue thinking about what happened. If this sign appears, do not continue watching the video. We found out Observer can watch through anything. Do not continue and hide. There's a phenomenon going around. All Gorboxans should run away and lock their doors. The phenomenon feeds on the soul. I recommend you to run away and hide. And the video will end in 3, 2, 1.